Hello, welcome to DealerSocket, your destination for DealerSocket training videos and digital marketing strategies. Today, we are covering DealerSocket login, a very broad and unique topic in the same sentence. And more specifically, I want to show you a very quick way to get into DealerSocket so you're not searching, clicking, going here, type this, type that, and getting into DealerSocket. So we're going to dive right in. So first and foremost, when you come into Google Chrome, it's going to look a little like this except for the background picture. You should just have a URL address at the top and search Google. So a lot of people either click in here and they type DealerSocket login, right? And hit enter. They then click the link to DealerSocket, come up to the top right, click login, and then they click CRM, and it takes them to the single sign-on portal for DealerSocket, okay? And then you would just simply log in, okay? Now, there are a few steps to get this working properly, and once they're set up, it makes your life extremely easy. And most people I run into already have a Gmail account, so it's as simple as signing into Google Chrome, creating a bookmark, and saving your passwords. So first things first, upper right, you'll see my little picture here. That means I'm logged in as my Brandon Socket, okay? And just so you know, when you log into Google Chrome and then use Chrome on your Android device or Google Chrome browser on iPhone, if you log in, it saves all these passwords and all these bookmarks. So make sure you're logged in under Google Chrome, number one. So there should be a sign on up here. Number two, click these three dots, click on settings. And if you don't see autofill right here because your screen's too zoomed in, you can just click autofill here. It's going to take you right there. When you go to passwords, make sure this offer to save passwords is on and auto sign-in is on, and you'll see all my different passwords saved here, okay? Now we're gonna get back to the screen down the end, but when we get back into here, the second step or third step, whatever step we're on, you wanna left click and hold this lock sign and drag it to your bookmarks bar, okay? Now, Brandon, you say, I don't have a bookmarks bar. That's great, let's delete this. And you're simply gonna come again to these three dots, and you're gonna go bookmarks, show bookmarks bar. Okay, so it's hidden. So if you don't see a bookmark bar, just make sure you go three dots, bookmarks, show bookmark bar. Perfect. Then left click, hold, and drag. And now you've got your DealerSocket bookmark. You'll notice I have mine here already, but this is where you wanna have your login. So you can quickly open up a new tab. Let's try it. I'm gonna log out and let's just see if it keeps me logged out. So we're gonna go here. If I click this button, it's gonna log me in. So let's log out. It's because I've recently logged in. It's just keeping me logged in. It's almost thinking that I closed it out by accident. So if we log out, it'll take us back to the login screen. Let me close this tab. And we're gonna go new tab. DealerSocket login. Please don't log me in. Please don't log me in. You're logging me in. That's how good it is. It's our, oh no, it didn't. So this is exactly where it's going to take you. And remember at the start, it took us 4, 5, 6 clicks to get to this login screen. Now, bonus material. Let's pretend for some reason that is not highlighted and you don't have your password. How do you figure out your password? Very simple. You click these three dots. You click on settings, and you come down to autofill, or if you see it, you just click passwords. Now, I can search my passwords, and I know DealerSockets is SSO, so I can go SSO, and on the eyeball, if I click it, it's asking me for the password to my computer, not my Gmail account, not my DealerSocket, but to my computer. Once you see that, once you enter that password, you'll see your, once you hit that eyeball, enter your computer password, you'll see the password for your login. For whatever reason, you're on a different computer that doesn't have it saved or whatnot, you can view it here so long as you're logged in to Google Chrome with your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or you have any other tips and tricks to DealerSocket login, please do me a favor and comment, like, share this video, and do me a massive favor and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you soon.